let's take a look at the thumb strum. In addition to what I call the standard strum, this is another go-to strum for me, especially if a song is moving kind of fast and playing my standard strum feels like it's just gonna get a little heavy-handed. What I do with a thumb strum is I often play with a low G. This works with a low G instrument or high G. Pluck that G with my thumb and then strum with the rest of my fingers. Of course, I'm muted here. Let me take my fingers off so you could really hear how it sounds. So a single note on that G, and then I strum with the rest of my fingers down on the next beat. And back and forth. Thumb, strum, thumb, strum, thumb, strum. And they're each one beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice when I do my thumb, I'm not treating it like a down strum. I'm not going all the way down. If anything, I'm coming out just a little bit because I want to keep my hand still here at the top of the strings to go down with the rest of my fingers on that second beat. So you don't want to over-exaggerate it out, but just think of it coming out, down, out, down, out, down, but keeping that movement pretty minimal. Yeah, keep that going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb, strum, thumb, strum, thumb, strum, thumb, strum. Now, if you have a high G and you don't like the sound of it sort of being a higher note and you want it to be a lower note, you can switch to the C string, and that'll be sort of the lowest note of your chord anyway, whatever you're playing. Takes a little bit more to find it in the middle there, but that's also an option open to you. And again, think of it as a rhythm pattern, so not just counting it through, not just thinking about what movements you're doing, but just by itself a pattern. Ba, 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 ba. Or if you want to differentiate between the two, I call it a boom, chick, 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 boom. Whatever works for you. We'll continue on just a little bit more. And as I said, this is one that I often use when songs go quickly. So you'll notice, as you get comfortable with it, try taking the tempo up just a little bit on it, and it sort of starts to take on a life of its own. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll see you can go quite fast with it as long as you're keeping your movements tight and small in towards the instrument. And that's what this strum pattern is there for, to let us get a good clip going without wearing out our hands.